Here are a few quick tips to get you the best shave possible. First off, you want to shave right after a shower. The hot water softens your skin and hair to prep it, and you should have washed your face so that your skin is clean. Be sure to always use a sharp razor blade because a dull blade is actually more likely to cut you. You want to use a good shaving cream, butter, or soap and start shaving in the direction your hair grows to reduce tugging. Make sure you're rinsing the razor after every few strokes so it doesn't get clogged. When you're done, do a second pass, this time shaving in the opposite direction for a closer shave. After you're finished and you've rinsed your face, pat your face dry with a clean towel. Don't wipe it, pat it, because the skin on your face is more sensitive. Use some sort of aftershave or moisturizer to hydrate your skin, and then most importantly, clean your razor well. This is something you can't really do with cartridge razors. Dry off the blade to avoid rusting and bacteria growth, and then afterwards you can let everything else just air dry.
Hey, so the biggest problem with modern cartridge razors is they're made out of plastic. You actually have to push down to actually get a cut on them. The next biggest problem is whenever you get into these multi-blades, there's no gap for your hair to go through. They clog up very quickly. And then these strips at the top and bottom, they're advertised as lubricating, but all it does is it pushes your hair down and doesn't give you as close of a shave. On the safety razors that I use, you can see your blade gap here, and there's a hole at the bottom so they don't clog up, and they're made out of metal. They have some weight to them, so you can just let them glide. So like I was saying, with a modern cartridge razor, you'll get a good pass on the first little few hairs, and then it's all clogged up. Whenever you take a safety razor, it just pulls it all off. All that hair doesn't clog up anything, and it keeps cutting.